Hello, welcome back to my channel of funny lovebird videos by Bowie. Today I'm doing another video of my little parrot, And this video is gonna be on how to tame your lovebird or other parrots. So first, you just want to teach them how to step up. Come on, step up. And you want to keep your finger there for quite a while. And you just want to put it in front of them. And if that doesn't work, try to turn them around and do this. That way so they can get on you. See, like that. Now, what you want to do is let them go back. And now you want to try to pet them gently like this. You want to try to pet them gently so they won't fly away. Next, what you want to do is to check their wings to see if they won't do an aggressive flight. Because, look, I'm going to bring them towards the light. Come on. Step up. How you did before. Step up. Step up. There we go. I'm going to bring them towards the light. And you're going to see if your parrot's wings are grown, to see if they won't do an aggressive flight. See? And if they don't do aggressive flights, it's okay, because then they'll stay on your hand. See? He stays. You're a very good parrot, huh? You're the best parrot in the world. So, now I'm going to go on more on how to tame your parrot. Right here, you get any snacks. These are the snacks of my parrot. So right here, you see? Keep looking. Look. I'll show you which are his favorite. Okay, so these are his favorite. Look, let's get these out of the way. Hey, Bowie, over here. Come on, you want it. You see? You want to let them take their time so they can think through and say if they want it or not. If they don't want it, it's okay. Just leave them alone. They may be hungry later. If they're not, if they are, just keep on going with them. Tame them more and let them know how good it is to tame them. Because if one day, if they fly away, if you let them do a free flight and they fly up to a tree and they're not tamed, they won't want to come back down to you. And it might stay there and it will never come back to you, and it just might fly away into the wild. And if you do tame it, they will come back to you, even though if they're stuck in a tree and they don't want to come down. You can call the rescue service of parrots, and they will help you. But you might need to go up their giant bucket thing, and you need to rescue your parrot because they have been used to you because you're the one that tamed him. And you see here that he's a peach-faced lovebird, and these guys are not tamed so easily. But if you have lots of treats, they might start getting used to you faster. The next thing you want to do is make them turn around. Come on, turn around. You see? They turn around. Here, let's show the public your best turn. Come on. if they don't do a turn just with your finger following you, try to make it with a tree instead. He also likes sunflowers. Okay, let's see. Show the public your best spin. Come on. I guess you don't want to spin right now. I'll just give it to you because you're hungry, huh? So, yeah, if your parrot isn't like very obedient and they're stubborn, just let them be and let them take their time. And also, like, don't grab them. Let them step up on your hand. You see, he even comes to me because he's used to me. But if you grab them with your hand, it will hurt them and they will get more aggressive with you. And yeah, they won't like want to be with you. So over here he's again. So there's his cage and the treats. Here he is. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, well then. Chisero la comosa. Hacer konnichiwa. Bye bye. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe or like this video. If you have any comments of it, leave it in the comments down below the video. And yeah, bye. I'm the thief for the night. Take anything for the money, yo.